Hi, I'm Martin Cheeseborough. I'm the CEO, and we've been training youth and adults in media arts and providing services since 2001. Over 3,000 students have passed through our organization.
Hi, my name is Michael Matthews and I'm the Special Projects Coordinator. One of our primary goals is to create networking events and solid teams that can operate outside of the classroom. It's one thing to learn a craft by yourself online and a completely different thing to have a team, industry standard equipment, and one-on-one support so you can have your voice heard.
Hello, my name is Beverly Matthews and I'm the COO here at Los Angeles Film Kitchen, or LAFK. At our vocational training and production studio, we're filling the gap between communities with a lack of resources and hands-on, high-end film training.